Already fed the pump, niggas too scared to go. Hey, 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 hey. I couldn't like hands and soap. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a nine in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. We have another wig from Shein, so thank you so much to Shein for sponsoring another video. This is going to be a real easy install, you guys. So they sent me over this closure highlighted unit. As you guys are going to see in this video, I'm not going to be using no glue and no spray for this install. So this is going to be 100% glueless. And as you guys can see, this wig does come with an adjustable strap, some extra combs, and as you guys can see, there's not a lot of lace space on this wig, so we really don't have to do too much. So what I'm just going to do is add some makeup on my lace as always, and I'm just going to literally throw this wig on my head. And I'm going to start using my She Is Bomb wax stick with my hot comb, because me personally, I like for my wigs to look a little more bumped in the front. So I'm going to use my wax stick to give me that look.
I stay flowers that I born. These hoes like it's porn. I get higher than I was born. On that couch just a torn. And money is so important. The bar was done. I can go on and on and on. My cars are foreign. I crack up and start soaring. My heart is torn. Do the movie like Barry Gordon. The star was born. I live just like a damn storm. My life full of fun. And no one of my hoes born. Never out of time. Motion none of them more Lauren. That nigga jeans with a gun. Play with me, it's a whole war.
So now I'm just going to add like 2 little baby hairs, because you guys know I love my baby hairs. So I really wanted this wig to give really natural. So I'm just going to add some mousse to my baby hairs and kind of just sleek it a little bit. As you guys can see, like I said, I didn't want my baby hairs to be too thick. I really wanted this wig to give natural. And I really wanted to show you guys how this wig can really look natural straight out of the box. Because as you guys can see, I did not wash this wig. This wig is literally straight out of the box. So I guess it can be considered a wear and go wig. Just going to use some moves to just try and like hold it in place. And then after that, I'm going to go in and recurl some of the curls in this wig, because I felt like some of the curls kind of lost this like definition. So I'm going to go in with my T3 curling iron and just fix that up a little bit. But like I said previously, you guys, this wig is so easy. Definitely beginner friendly. I would highly recommend this wig for those of you who are just looking for a quick throw on wig. You may want to change up your style or something just real simple. Like, this is going to be the wig for you. And as you can see, it does have a little color, so that just adds a little, you know, extra funness to the wig. But this wig is so cute. I actually like the length. I think the length is actually not too bad. And yeah, so all the information will be in the description box if you guys like to purchase this wig. And thank you once again to Shein for sponsoring today's video. And I'm just going to let you guys watch for the rest of the time being.
Taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside, in case you forgot how we act outside.